Rice was very important in the Columbian exchange. Rice that was brought to America was originally grown in Africa. Before Columbus arrived in America, rice was already being grown in parts of Europe and Asia. Farmers grew rice in the South, which helped to initiate the plantation and establish the use of slaves in southern colonies. Rice was grown in South Carolina and used as an export. The Carolinas had the best environment that suited the needs of the rice to grow. Farmers had to travel to Africa to get rice seeds, and when they came back, they brought slaves with them. Since rice was originally grown in Africa, the slaves had a lot of experience with farming the rice and the irrigation systems needed, like grading the landscape, which allowed water to flow through and drain out of the fields.
Unfortunately, when the Europeans traveled to Africa to get rice seeds, the slaves that they brought back with them also brought malaria and mosquitoes easily bred in rice fields. This is because many rice fields were water-based, meaning that the crop was grown under some amount of water. This helped spread the illness rapidly. Quickly, rice became a staple of the Western diet and continues to be a staple today. Farming tools, mainly the plow, became more advanced throughout time due to the advancement of the rice crop overall. The transportation of rice to the New World still affects the world today because many people question that if rice was never brought over, would the slave trade have lasted so long and have the same lasting effects? Some historians and rice experts also question if malaria would have spread as badly as it did. This could have changed history entirely in the world we live in today. Rice is still very popular in Asia, totaling with more than 2.4 billion people in the Asian region consuming it regularly. Overall, the United States food and agricultural exports account for more than 15 million jobs from coast to coast, making it one of the largest export industries in the country. Today, rice feeds more people than any other crop and will hopefully continue to help people for many years to come. Rice is debatably the most useful food resource introduced to North America by Columbus and the rest of the Europeans.